What's up, everybody, man? It's your boy, Mark's Magic Touch, coming back with another video to show y'all what I've been up to, man. I know I ain't been posting a whole lot of videos lately, but I've been doing a little work, man, and I'm about to start getting a little bit more work done than normal. So let me show y'all what I've been doing. Hold on. Boom. As you can see, got my control arm painted. I already painted them once, but I had to redo them because when I was putting my little cups in, when I pressed them in, it kind of chipped the paint around here. And then on the back side too, it kind of chipped the paint around where the cup came in at. So I had to scuff them up and repaint them. I did that. I got the little center bar that goes in between them painted up. Now I just gotta get the bushings put in, get that put in, and boom. Y'all see what, I got all brand new ball joints, all that. Everything is brand new for that, so I ain't worried about it. All that's new. Then let me show you what else I've been up to. Been doing, hold on, cut this light on. Got my little junkyard harness. I've been reworking. Look, see, I got an intake in my kitchen, in my dining room area. But anyway, like I say, I've been working on my junkyard harness, getting it all taped and wire loomed up, got it depinned already. Here's my little fuse box. Focus, focus. Focus. Guess it ain't gonna wanna focus right quick. Hold on, let me see. There we go. But y'all can see, it says fuel pump, main power. Then come on this side. You'll see it says main, PCM coils, O2 injectors, MAV, trans, and PCM. Then I got this is my fuel pump wire. Let me cut this off. Then maybe I can see better now. Yeah, focus better too. Fuel pump. Here's my ground. Here's my 12 volt key. And then my 12 volt hot 4 wires. But yeah, for the most part, like I said, I got it all taped up. You go all my OBD2 speed train. What is this? I got my fans on there, speed tack, check engine light, TCC brake, my other OBD2. Got all them in there. I just gotta finish doing that, pour it up there, them injector wires. Do this right here, my mass airflow sensor wire, and then shit is ready. But for the most part, I can go throw it out there on the motor and start the motor up. But yeah, y'all, that's what I've been up to, man. Just doing this little shit. I got another wiring harness to do right there. That's a drive-by wire harness, and that's a drive-by cable harness I did. That's a drive-by wire harness right there. See my little spider's nest in the corner. And there's the rest of my bushings for my control arms and everything, body mount. Everything right there, body mount bushings. You see, I got new ball joints to put on my control arms. All that, all Moog. Let me see that. Moog. Yeah, problem solvers. Yeah, like I said, I just gotta put this shit together, man. Body mounts, all that shit for the C10. I got parts. I just need to put them on, y'all. Hey, let's see what's my ball joint, U-joint, whatever that is. I borrowed that to put them cups in. But yeah, like I say, for the most part, I'm getting it done, y'all. So I'll keep y'all tuned in, and y'all stay tuned in. I'm out.